Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will discuss how to hide application on Android. So, for those of you who want to know, watch my video until the end. But before that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, so that I will be enthusiastic about making other useful videos. Many people prefer to disable or uninstall applications when they want to hide one of the applications they have. In fact, hiding applications is very easy to do. You can hide apps on Android using the smartphone's built-in features. Not only that, you can download supporting applications, such as Hide app, Private Me, and so on to hide apps. The following is an explanation of how to hide applications using the phone's built-in features and supporting applications on Android. There are several smartphone brands that support the application hiding feature. One of the ways you can hide applications on Android is by using the phone's built-in features. To do this, click a blank page on the screen, click Home Screen Settings. Then, select Hide Application. After that, select the application you want to hide. If so, click Apply. Different from Huawei smartphones, how to hide apps for Huawei users. First, open Settings on the smartphone. Then click the Privacy and Security menu. If so, select Private Space, and follow the instructions to set up private space on the screen. To hide apps for Xiaomi users, first, open the Settings menu. Then click the Security menu, and click the icon to lock the apps. After that, you can start selecting the applications you want to hide. After that, confirm the app's settings. You can also hide apps on Android with supporting applications in the Play Store, one of which is App Hider. App Hider is a reliable application for hiding other applications. With App Hider, the process of hiding apps will be easier. You only need to activate the PIN protection feature in the Settings menu. You can create a password to provide deeper protection. Another application to hide apps, using AppLock. AppLock is an Android application for hiding the most downloaded applications on Google Play Store. Not only applications, data and other personal files can also be hidden in this application. You can choose Private Me when you want to hide applications on Android. Private Me is an application that is quite friendly on older Android models, because this application does not cause root on Android. There are several ways you can hide apps on Android. Thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe and activate notifications, so you don't miss our other interesting videos. Okay.